All right, I have a video. Now this is the SRT 392 year 21. I put these lights in, the LEDs, and I showed you how you can remove these plastic lenses. But I'm gonna change them out again because I bought some red lights, and since my car is octane red, I'm gonna change it to red. So I got LEDs I'm gonna be putting in there. Now, here's the other thing. You could pop this down, okay? And as you see the clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, the lights are right here, see? So all you gotta do is you twist it, take it out, put your bulb in, and you know, stick it back in and lock it up. The best thing to do is to pull it from here. If it's the first time you're doing it, it's gonna be tough, but just pull it from here. And don't worry, you're not gonna break it. Just don't get goofy and you jerk it all the way down. Just pop it down here and then pull it here, and easy money, okay?